Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix your Instagram if it's not working on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, now let's get into our video. For that matter, what you have to do is the first thing that you have to say is if your app is not updated or not, because if it's not, then that can cause that kind of problems, right? So for that, you're gonna go to the App Store and go on top and type in Instagram here in the search bar, and once you have got your app, tap on it and simply update it. You will find that option here instead of update your app, and that will simply solve your problem out. If that doesn't work, then you're gonna go back, access your settings. We're gonna go back do it from the start, and then here in the search bar you're gonna go on top and type in storage. What it will do is it will simply access a particular storage of your iPhone. You're gonna tap on it, you're gonna go scroll down, tap on your particular app over here, Instagram, and simply offload your app. Offloading your app will simply remove the app and then it will keep your data and the information, so you don't have to worry about it. Simply offload your app, go back to your app store, reinstall your app and enter information and use it as you would like. It will simply solve out your problem. And the other thing that you have, it might sound minor, but you have to make sure if your network connection is good or not, because if it's not, and then if you're trying to log in thinking I have a good connection, and if it's not working, that might be the problem. Switch to another one and then try again. That is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.